Welcome student. Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to all in social study lecture. Student, now in this session we will start our chapter number 2, Evidences in History and Sources of History. Let us start our chapter number 2. Student, Sources of History. Suppose on a visit to the Taj Mahal you are taken aback by its beauty and grandeur. Now you want to know more detail about it. Then what do? You either take information from the guide appointed there, or turn over the pages of a history book, or surf the internet. Here the guide, the book and the internet become your sources of information for the study of the Taj Mahal. Similarly, to know about your entire past, historians take help of a number of sources. These sources of history are broadly divided into two types: archaeological and the literary source. Children, suppose you have to go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal and you want to know more detail about the beauty of the Taj. Then what do to take more information? You pointed the guide to know more detail, or you turn over the pages of the history books or internet. Yes, here the guide and the book, the internet are the sources of informations. These sources of history divided into two types. First source is the archaeological sources and second one is the literary sources. Student, let us learn more about the archaeological sources of history. In archaeology, we study about the human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites, analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. These remains may be in the form of buildings, architectural remains, or objects like pottery, ornaments, seals, tablets, etc. The scholars who study these remains are called archaeologists. The archaeological sources are the most direct evidence for the study of history and prehistory. These are the original sources which cannot be tampered by human beings. Archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites and the analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. Children, what is archaeology? Yes, archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites and the analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. It is the most direct evidence for the study of history and prehistory. Student, who is called the archaeologist? Yes, the scholars who study the excavation of sites and architectural remains like pottery, ornaments, seals, tablets, etc. are called archaeologists. So, archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavations. These sources are, student, the archaeological sources are inscriptions, coins, monuments and artifacts. Student, this is your homework. Number 1, define archaeology, excavation, archaeologist. Question number 2, what are the two main sources of history? Question number 3, Write the archaeological sources of history. Student, next session will be continue. In the next session, we will study about the archaeological sources of history. Thank you and have a nice day.